Good day everyone, I am Almost CB, a VSIT student. Today, I'm going to show you how to install VSCode and XAMP server.
First of all, you just open your favorite web browser. Then you just simply search VSCode download. Then click the link. In this website, you will say download for Windows. You just click that to start downloading and wait for a while to appear the download process. After that, you click the open file. And here's the license agreement windows. If you are agree with those license terms and conditions, you just click the radio button, I accept the agreement. And then click next. Then next. Then click install. We just wait for a while to complete the progress bar. Click finish. And here's the background of VSCode application. If we're going to search that in the search bar, it will appear, which means it indicates that the application is already installed. The same process with the XAMP server. Just open the browser. Then search XAMP installer. Click the link. And in this website, we'll say download. And wait for a while to start downloading. It will appear in the upper right corner, the download process. After that, you just open the file. Click yes. Okay. Click next. 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 Click next. And wait the progress bar to complete. and click Finish. And here's the SAMP control panel. Click the Start running. Here's the background of SAMP PHP My Admin. Search SAMP control panel, and here's